So the Article 342 talks about the provision that the President of India has the power to amend the list of scheduled tribes by adding or removing or updating any scheduled tribes. Also, the provisions like sixth schedule is talking about the it is giving the powers to the hands of the district council, which is very autonomous in nature, right? It gives the powers to the district council to like that it will have the powers to administer those areas which are given to them by the constitutions. I mean, those areas which are there under their jurisdictions, and it will administer that area, and it will also protect the safeguard. It will safeguard the travel communities or groups in those areas, or those travel communities which are living in that area. So Article 3 3 of 42 talks about scheduled tribes, but I'm asking the question that what is scheduled tribes. See, Article 366 says that the tribes or any travel groups or any travel communities that will be called as the scheduled tribes, which are notified under Article 342. So any travel communities, any travel groups will be called as a scheduled tribe which are recognized or which are notified under Article 342 by the Indian Constitution. So this provisions is talk about Article 366. So Article 366 itself mentions another article, that is Article 342, and Article 366 there are it contains numerous provisions. Article 366 clause 25 talks about the definition of the scheduled tribes, right? So, and also article what is Article 342? It is talking about the what are the criteria that is to be governed by the government in order to identify, in order to recognize any travel groups or any communities. I mean, it does not explicitly define who are the scheduled tribes and not, but it gives you some kind of pictures that these are the criteria through which you can identify the travels groups or any communities. So so Article 342 is giving five provisions, like you will have ecological traits, you will have traditional characteristics, third is that distinctive cultures, and fourth is geographical isolation, and fifth is backwardness. So Article 342 is talking about the five criteria which used to be given by the Indian Constitution, that you will have ecological traits, you will have traditional characteristics, third is that you will have distinctive cultures, fifth is that backwardness, and fourth is a geographical isolation. So these are five criteria which is given by the constitution, that it will recognize, it will identify as a scheduled tribe, right? So ecological traits, traditional characteristics, and distinctive cultures, geographical isolation, and backwardness. So these are five criteria through which we can identify any scheduled tribes, and right. And apart from that, you will have the one.